Welcome back to Excel for Economics. In this video, we'll be talking about some text methods. Excel doesn't just deal with numbers, it can also deal with text in certain ways. So the first thing we can do is we can find out the length of the string. So let's say we have a class list, first name, last name, preferred name. We can find the length of this just by using the len. Len function just says, give me an input of text, and I will tell you how long it is, including spaces. So here we can see it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we can see that it's 13 characters long. This one, 21. This one as short as 9. Okay, note the spaces and the punctuation is included. We can find segments where this is case sensitive. We can say find, and we want to find all lowercase h, letter h's, in our text. So Glythe will include that. However, other ones will not. Brant doesn't have any h's. This one does not. But what do we do about Harris and Heilig? Those are capitalized. Well, the search function will find either lower or uppercase in our text. So here we can see it's the first character. Now, what it's returning is which character it is at. So it's finding the location in these 13 characters. It's saying it's the 13th character is the value you want. For Chen, it's the second character. Here's the first, and 7th. Our next command is the left and right. So we can take starting at the left of our string, of our text string, we can take 7 characters. So that would be Valcom and the comma. And here we can see that it takes the 7 characters that are available. Okay. We can also take things from the right. So we can start at the H, T, and work the other way. And it works in the same way that it'll count the number of characters and it will retrieve those. So Glythe has 5 characters. The space and comma are the next 2. So that's 7 characters long. Mid works in a slightly different way. Because it's got a text and it says, where do you want to start? Well, I'm going to start from the 4th character and I'm going to return 7 characters after that. Here we can see the 4th character is a C, and it starts at com and goes to GL. We can combine these things in order to search for certain things and extract certain things. So let's say we want to just get the last name. Well, the last name ends just before the comma. So we can say left A8, and we can search for the comma in A8. And then we want to subtract 1 because the comma, we left this, it would give us the comma. So we need to subtract 1 off of this. And that will give us the last name only. Now, if we wanted everything after the comma and not including the space, we can use the right command and go A8, our length of our cell that we're looking for. We can search for our comma in A8. And here we want to, if we didn't remove anything, then we would have the space remaining. So what we want to do is subtract off 1 space in order to shift everything over. And you can now see that there's no space. Notice that we didn't exclude the second name in parentheses. And then we can concatenate strings. This is putting them back together, or we can say, well, actually I wanted first name first, so I want it to be the first name, and then I could say maybe I want a space in between, and then I want the last name. And now I've got everything starting from the first name, last name, and anytime there's a secondary name, it'll be coming from this column M. Great, we'll see you in the next video.